Hi, this is Reina with WTI.
I got this open ear design earphone. I'm impressed how well they work. The sound is good, they're comfortable and secure. These headphones are super soft, it was easy to pair, and I like that it doesn't not have to go directly in my ear. This set on the bone is front of the ears. It's super good because I can hear everything around me clearly and my music as well. It fits securely without pain. I don't have to have anything in my ear, which also means nothing is falling out. And when I receive a call, the sound quality from the headset is clear, and the headset is so light you might not feel you are wearing a thing. This headset feels extremely solid, comfortable to wear, provides good pressure without being excessive. I love it.
But this is just my point of view.